Basic ventilator settings. Navigating the graphic user interface screens. To navigate between the screen options, turn the control knob on the left side of the front panel. When the chosen option has been marked by positioning the marker on its location, press the knob to select. While turning the control knob, fields that can be modified are highlighted. To edit a field, press the control knob when positioned on the field. The field will change color. Rotate the control knob to view different values for the field, and press the knob to select a value.